Hi guys, I'm making a wrap which is just coconut, salt and chia seeds. I'll put the ingredients in the description below if you're interested in knowing. Just something savory, and if you have a dehydrator this will work well. If not, you can use your oven at the lowest heat and use a silicone sheet to put the ingredients. Yeah, so that's that, with some salt, herbal salt, and just chia seed which is grinded up, put in a blender. And yeah, I'll just show you when I've poured it on the sheet, and I'll put the exact ingredients later. Bye. That's the mixtures, guys. It looks like that, so I'll just put them in the sheet. And yeah, they are the wraps. So I'll just put them and dry them, and now it's leaking, so I have to go. So yes, I'll show you when they're done and how foldable they are. Okay, here these are the wraps that I've made with the coconut and the chia seed. Obviously it's not a very pretty color, but it's like a wrap. You can put food, you can wrap it around like that, or you can make it into sandwich where you just put food there and you bite through it. You put your onions, your garlic, your avocados, all the crap you want, all the stuff you want. It's not focusing. Come on, focus. There you go, like that. Obviously maybe I needed more coconut than the chia or something, but it still works. The goodness with with raw foods, like, you're flexible, you actually don't make a mistake, and it doesn't taste bad. So that is it. You can make it any way you want. You wrap it, you put it in a sandwich, roll it up into a tortilla or something. It's all up to you. And that is it. These are just some meatballs or raw falafels that I made. Okay, these are not for falafels. These are doing like a pea burger, pea burger. Instead of a meat burger, I put peas and spices and all kinds of things. I've put a video on that. I think I'll record it. This thing was delicious, or is delicious. I made it. It's just the second day. I just need to finish them. I made quite a number. Yes, and that is it. Thanks for watching, and bye.